Hey guys, here's a quick over-the-shoulder look at how I create long-form content with the all-in-one app. I'm creating an article on the benefits of rosemary oil. So we start by creating an outline. You do this by clicking the orange outline icon. We get 10 sections and 3 subsections for each topic. First, you select the topic and then copy it. Then you place it in the custom prompt after a colon. You then create a space for the output. You do this by creating 2 line returns. You then choose the flavor of output that you want. In this case, I'm using Agency Writer, so I click this third button from the left. We'll remove the space and then select the next topic. We copy it and then paste it over the last topic. Then we create the additional spaces, scroll down a bit so it's at the top, and then we press the Agency Writer button again. Remove the space, and there we have it. So let's do another one for good measure. We select it, copy it, then paste it over the previous header. We then create a couple of line returns, then we run Agency Writer again. Scroll up, and this is all about blood circulation. Very engaging writing. This last will do reduces hair loss. Copy it, place it, add a couple of returns, and then run Agency Writer again. So you can see it creates some really interesting content and it covers all of the bases. This is the beauty of topical modeling. It means that you don't have to go over the topic again and again to make sure that you've done everything or the AI has output what you wanted. This makes sure you get everything you need. So if we look at some of the later ones, you can see it covers a great range of potential. Improving memory and concentration, relieving stress and anxiety, enhancing digestion, and the ways that it's done, soothing muscle pains and the benefits of those, boosting the immune system, covering white blood cell count, strengthening overall immunity and fighting against infections, improving skin health, alleviating respiratory issues, enhancing moods, acting as a natural insect repellent. So it's a really interesting set of the benefits of rosemary oil. So hopefully this quick tutorial has shown you how to use the all-in-one and especially the outline author. Thanks for watching.